Feeling buried under tasks, chasing deadlines, and juggling tools that promise productivity but deliver chaos? You're not alone. But what if the tools you need are already out there? Free, powerful, and criminally underrated. Everyone knows ChatGPT, Notion AI, and Canva. But today we're diving into the tools flying under the radar. Tools that could change your game if you're a creator, student, entrepreneur, or just productivity obsessed. Ever start researching and end up with 30 tabs open, none of them helpful? Enter Lumio AI. It's like Pinterest meets Evernote, powered by AI. Just highlight, save, and boom. Lumio organizes your ideas into clean visual boards. Perfect for students, bloggers, and anyone writing a script like this one. Next up, TheToolX. It's basically your AI control center. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife with over 100 AI tools, from image generation to copywriting and coding, all under one clean dashboard. No signups, no fluff. I found 3 tools for this video on ToolX. Tool #3 is a goldmine, JustDone. Imagine having access to ChatGPT, Claude, and open source LLMs all in one spot. You pick the model, give a prompt, and boom, copy, blog posts, SEO text, email drafts, all done in seconds. Plus, it's free. Like, seriously free. Legal documents, resumes, reports, boring and time-consuming, unless you're using free Document Maker. This tool uses AI to generate clean, formatted docs in seconds. Contracts, proposals, invoices, all done without needing a template from scratch. Ideal for freelancers and small biz owners. And last, Chatsimple AI. Build an AI chatbot for your site in under 60 seconds. It reads your website, learns your brand voice, and handles customer questions 24/7. No coding needed. Imagine having a support team that doesn't sleep. There you have it. 5 underrated free AI tools that actually save you time instead of wasting it. Whether you're building, creating, or automating, these tools aren't just hidden gems. They're superpowers. Which one blew your mind the most? Tell me in the comments. I read everyone. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to ByteWired for more tools that work smarter, not harder. Your future self will thank you.